Hi, it's me again. How are you all doing? I am great. A few dodgy broken nails. I had to super glue this one down. These ones have grown out and these two came off, so I've had to redo my acrylics on them. So sorry Zoe if you're watching, I had to fix my own nails because it was lockdown, I wasn't allowed to come over. But I think we can hang on till Monday. I think, what day is it today? It's the 7th of November that I'm filming this. God knows when it'll be out in the universe. It could be next week, it could be 3 days time, who knows. Anyway, today's video is I want to do like a quick tutorial of a nude eye, a nude lip, what kind of colours work well together, because I know my palette is obviously like I have a lot of bright colours in there. I am aware, oh my god, look what I did. See that big gouge in there? That's because I stuck my nail in it by accident when I was trying to get a different colour. I'm livid. Oh well. But yeah, I have my bright colours in here, but I've also got, you know, I've got Deimos, Pothos, Priapus, Eros, Harmonia. These are all kind of nude shades. Dove and Anthros are really good highlighting shades. You can really mix it up. It just looks very intimidating at first. So I thought I would go in, do a kind of colour of nudes on the eyes, kind of like a soft smoky blended. Might add a bit of pale pink to my cut crease. I might just keep it plain. I don't really know yet. You know, I tend to just make it up as I go along. And then I'm going to pair it with, I've chosen some of the liquid matte lips that I believe would be my most nude kind of colours. Daya kind of sits in the middle because Daya is like a red kind of colouring, but it's kind of a nude. It's a little purple, it's a bit dark. I don't know what everyone thinks it should be a nude or not. I think it is, and maybe it's a bit dark. Maybe I'll add it to my red collection when I go through a red collection. But anyway, we'll soon find out. I think Calm and Mega Clyde are my most popular colours for nudes. This is Mega Clyde and this one is Calm. This one is also Europa. This is my personal favourite nude because it's just like a nice soft chocolatey brown. It's lovely. But let's get started with the eyes. I'm probably going to do what I usually do, my general, add a bit of music, speed the video up a little bit, and I'll then talk about it at the end because that's what everyone seems to prefer. Otherwise the videos go on for like 45 minutes. I sit editing it for like hours on end. No one really watches the middle bits because I can see when everyone skips. I can see that people are just watching the front, the ends, you know. So let's go ahead and get stuck in. I think I'm going to use Priapus and Harmonia if you have the palette at home, if you want to follow along. Right, let's get started, my loves.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
But I am a fan anyway, so thank you all for watching. It's been great to do a makeup video again because I haven't done it in so long. If you would like to, remember our website is all live. All my products are on there. We're kind of focusing on the nude shades at the minute. We're going to advertise some things with the glosses, the matte paints, the kind of looks you can do with the palette that are nude and natural looks as well. Maybe then later on in the year, it's almost the end of the year, but maybe the beginning of next year we'll go ahead with some colours, do some kind of different styles there. But if you would like to order it, you can use YouTube 10. That gives you a 10% discount off the whole website. And because we're in lockdown as well, Wales is just about to come under lockdown. We're just coming out of it. England's just gone into a 4-week lockdown. So I thought what would be nice if people are trying to do their Christmas shopping, they want to buy gifts for people, then I've taken the shipping cost off the entire website. So there's no shipping. It's whatever the price is. Shipping is free. Because, that would really annoy me if I wanted to go out and shop for people, but I can't, and then I have to pay shipping on top. So I'm already annoyed that I'm in, and then I have to pay shipping on top, and it's just like a double blow. I'm not a fan of that. Or am I? I don't know. But I thought it'd be nice. I've also got gift cards available on there as well. If you're not sure if your friend or your family member or someone is a huge fan of makeup, and you think, do you know what? Yes, I think they would love some Vulcan and Vixen because they're supporting a great cause, with it being a whole brand for LGBT community, raising awareness for everything, eventually support some events, sponsor events, put some things out there, and that's the eventual plan. So gift cards are available if you're unsure as well, and they have a 12-month last on them, so you'll be there forever. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully they'll be on sooner, because I want to do a few more nude looks, because I like this. I might stick a wig on and take a few photos, so if you check out my Instagram as well, you'll probably see halfway down the page it'll be there as well. But anyway, thanks. Goodbye everyone, and I'll see you next time.